Susie's Secret Recipes. My name is Susie Hyde, and I grew up on a farm in Washington, Oklahoma. My parents taught us kids, number one, to keep Jesus in our heart. Number two, just to keep things country simple and enjoy the simple things in life. And so I've had a wonderful childhood, and I brought everything that I've learned from home and brought it into my household. And so I hope that you enjoy my channel, and I look forward to sharing with you some of the things that I enjoy. And so sit back and let's keep it country simple. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be going over to my mama's and we're going to be canning canned coleslaw. So come along with me and let's get this show on the road. So Mama and I decided to fix a couple of chickens, put them in the roaster. I had two old chickens that I needed to do something with, and so we put them in the roaster and cooked them I don't know, for a couple of hours, and they were done. Turned out absolutely wonderful.
Of course, we had some of it that night for supper, but I'll put the rest of it in the freezer to use at a later date. This recipe calls for 1 medium head of cabbage, 1 carrot, 1 red bell pepper, 1 small onion, and 1 teaspoon of salt. And so we ended up putting more vegetables because we were wanting to make more. But that's the amount that the recipe calls for. And then the brine, you're going to use 1 cup of vinegar, 1/4 cup of water, 1 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of celery seed, and 1 teaspoon of mustard seed. And of course, we had to double that. What you're going to do is you're going to chop up all of the vegetables. That's going to go to my chickens. Any of the scraps, they love cabbage. But anyway, you're going to chop it all up. Then you're going to put salt over it, a teaspoon of salt, and then set it to the side, cover it with a towel, and let it set for about 2 hours. It's almost done. It's about 160 degrees. It needs to reach 165. Okay, we've got our vegetables all chopped, and we're gonna, like I said, put salt over it, a teaspoon of salt, and mix it together and let it set for 2 hours.
So I can't wait to taste this. It's really pretty. I really like how it turned out. And so let's open this. There we go. And it smells good. Make sure I get a carrot. Oh, I love it. If you like bread and butter pickles and stuff along that line, and you'll love this. This would go really good on a hot dog. Actually, it'd be a good side dish, like with some roast or something. This would be really good. Or you can take this, rinse it off, put mayo on it, and have some coleslaw then, if you want to do that. But just eating it like this, man, I could eat it right out of the jar. It's really good. I'll be making more of this. If you enjoyed the video today, then please give me a thumbs up and put it in the comments. I'm going to be doing my YouTube channel a little bit different. I'm still going to be doing my weekly video on Wednesdays at 8 or 8 p.m. with Susie's Secret Recipes. But I'm going to be doing more shorts. You're going to be seeing more of that throughout the week. And then my motivation video is going to be on the second Monday and the fourth Monday. And so I just wanted to let you know kind of what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to change things up a little bit. So I haven't been doing a whole lot of shorts, but I'm going to start doing more of those kind of videos as well. And so guys, I hope you have a wonderful week, and may God bless you, and happy trails.